Hi everyone, welcome back to my podcast. Today we're going to talk about past simple, one of the most important tenses in English and also one that people think they know but still make mistakes with. If you've ever said something like, yesterday I have gone, or last year I worked there, this episode is for you. We use past simple all the time when we tell stories, talk about our life, explain experiences, or even when we talk about grammar. If your past simple isn't clear, your whole story can sound confusing. But the good news is past simple is actually very logical. So let's start with the meaning. Past simple is used to talk about finished actions in the past. Finished means the action started in the past, the action ended in the past, and it's not connected to now. When I say I lived in New York, it means I lived there before, but I don't live there now. Imagine a timeline. Now is here. Past simple is behind us, and the action is finished. That's why we often use past simple with words like yesterday, last week, last year, in 2010, 2 days ago. Let's talk about the form. In positive sentences, past simple is very simple. With regular verbs, we add ed. I worked, she played, they watched a movie. The verb doesn't change for different people. I worked, you worked, he worked. But of course, English lacks exceptions. Irregular verbs don't take ed. We have to learn them by heart. Go, went, have, had, see, saw. There is no shortcut here. Repetition is the key. Now, something very important. Negative sentences. In the past simple, we use did not or didn't. And here's the rule many learners forget. After did, the verb goes back to the base form. I didn't work yesterday. She didn't go to school. We didn't understand the question. Not didn't went. Didn't go. Questions work the same way. We use did plus subject plus base form. Did you work yesterday? Did she call you? Did they finish the project? Again, no ed, no second form, just the base verb. Let's tell you some very common mistakes. Number 1, mixing past simple with present perfect. Number 2, using the past form after did. Number 3, forgetting the past form completely. Mistakes are normal. What matters is not noticing them and correcting them. So how should you practice past simple? First, learn irregular verbs in context, not as a list. Second, say full sentences out loud. Third, talk about your life. For example, today, try to say, yesterday, I, last week, I, when I was a child, I. Past simple is not difficult. It just needs clarity and repetition. If you understand the meaning, the form becomes much easier. Thank you so much for listening. If this episode helped you, come back for the next one. We'll continue building English step by step. See you next time.